Next question is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Here also the question is the following situation possible? So what you have to do is, we have to make the situation into a quadratic equation and solve, isn't it? So what is given? Sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. Sum of the ages of two friends are there. So we are going to take the ages as x and y years. What is given? Sum of the ages is given as 20 years. So what we can write? X plus y is equal to 20. Okay, let that be equation number 1. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48. The present age of the first one is x years and the second one is y years. 4 years ago, what will be their age? What was their ages? X minus 4 and y minus 4, isn't it? 4 years ago, they were having x minus 4 and y minus 4 years. So what was given in the question? 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48. So 4 years ago, their ages are x minus 4 and y minus 4. Their product is given as 48. That means what is given in the second sentence is x minus 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 48. Okay, again what we have to do is from equation number 1, what is y? Y is equal to 20 minus x. Substitute this equation number 2 in equation number 3. Substitute equation number 2 in equation number 3. So the first term x minus 4 into, instead of the variable y, we are going to give 20 minus x. So 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. Okay, so x minus 4 into, what is 20 minus 4? 20 minus 4 is 16. Minus x is equal to 48. Just open the bracket. X into 16 gives you 16x. X into x will give you minus x square. Minus 4 into 16 gives you minus 64. Minus 4 into x will, minus x will give you plus 4x. Again I am taking this minus 48 to the left side. Minus 48 is equal to 0. Again collect the like terms. Minus x square. What about the x term? 16x is there, 4x is there. 16x plus 4x gives you 20x. And what about the constant? Minus 64 minus 48. Minus 64 minus 48 gives you minus 112 is equal to 0. Isn't it? Again, since the coefficient of x square is negative, divide throughout with a negative 1. So x square minus 20x plus 112 is equal to 0. Thus we got the quadratic equation. Since the question is it possible? Is it possible? So what we have to do is find discriminant b square minus 4ac. What is b square minus 4ac? B square is minus 20 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 112. Minus 20 square will give you 400 minus, what about this value? 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 112 gives you 448. And this value is negative 48, which is less than 0. And we already discussed that if the discriminant is less than 0, the condition is, the situation is not possible. So here we got a value less than 0. Therefore the answer is no, it is not possible.